Where'd it go? Evil kitty. Hi guys, welcome to Kitty Sam's World, and this morning Mr. Meowington started playing with Sam's tablet that was on the floor.
I actually downloaded a new game for him to play with. And this is the game that he's playing on. I have it on laser. It has different modes, and he likes to just play with it. It's so funny.
Alright, Sam, go ahead and grab the tablet and show us what game it is. So if you guys have kitties at home that you want them to play,
Give me a minute.
this is the game you are going to want to download. Meowington! It's called Cat Toys I, Games for Cats. And it's got all these different things. He really likes the red laser, but we'll show you
All of them.
Go ahead.
But first, let's try Butterfly, because we haven't tried this one with him. I'm going to go with this one. It doesn't stay on the screen the whole time, though.
But the laser does.
I don't think he's really into butterflies. I think he's more into birds and butterflies.
And he's watching that butterfly.
Yep. And good target, Mr. Meowington. And then we actually have a cat toy of his. I'm gonna move the tablet.
Take one of the balls out.
We have a golf ball in replacement for this one, but he likes using balls at the same time now. It gets him wanting to play in no time. It's his favorite toy. We are making this video to show you how our cat reacts to these toys. And
while we're doing this, Sam's going to change to a different
mystery one that we haven't tried. Probably.
And the thing that he's smelling right now is actually a cat scratch cardboard thing that they stick in there. And they've kind of really scratched it up real good, because it used to look like this. But now it's all scratched up. Thank you.
Okay, guys.
And then, of course, there's a confetti pop circle on there.
Well, I'm gonna put this back in there.
Oh my goodness. Now, our kitties love flies, especially Mr. Meowington. He's caught them and eaten them. I don't know why.
And now he's going right back to this. I got him. Come here, Mr. Meowington. Yes. Good boy. Look at the pretty flies. I just said pray because he likes to attack them. Mr. Meowington. Okay, let me go.
Sorry, guys. I'm a little uncomfortable here. All right.
Well, I'm going to move his toy back in so I can change the game for him. And this is on Google Play. Ooh, this one's going to be a good one. I think Mr. Meowington's really going to like this one. Even more than his toy. No.
Nope, he wants the toy. I think the two winners today are the red laser and the round toy.
Look.
Let us know in the comments below what your cats like to play with, if you have cats.
Yep, and we'll show you our modes later, because there's a mouse mode.
Go ahead and
fish
show
mode.
the mouse mode and put the toy back over here.
Okay, let me get the tablet. Okay, Mr. Meowington, go! So these are all the mouses you can choose from. I'm gonna choose the glowing mouse. I think that will make guys attention. It's off the screen, so it's hard for him to know. Look! Tap, tap, tap.
I think Sam is more like the cat than the cat is more like the cat. She likes to tap on the mice on the screen. The cat is just sitting there watching it. He's like, okay, whatever.
I haven't tried anyone but this one, so I think it's the colors. I'm gonna quickly see if that's it.
And he's right back to playing with the ball.
Our cat is kind of hilarious when he plays with it like that.
Now imagine hearing that thing roll around in the middle of the night. Okay, this is the last one.
Well, there's still a fish, but we can do that in a different video. No!
See, he hears the ball, and he goes for that toy.
Get back here. Please. Oh. We do the newspaper route, so this is what he was playing with.
We get these plastic bands that are wrapped around the newspaper, and our cats just go crazy for these. Let go. Let him go. And guess what, guys? Our mama kitty's having more babies.
I want to see his reaction with the orange fish quick. He's not even seen it. Mom just tapped in one missing. I don't think he really gets it.
No, he's going off after the toy that's underneath the tablet. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching.
And have a perfect day.